Welcome to Italy4Real's unforgettable golf vacations, where every swing you take is a memory in the making. Picture yourself standing on the green, the Italian sun warming your face, a gentle breeze rustling through the olive trees. Your heart races as you position your hands on the club, the weight of it familiar and comforting. As you draw back and swing, the world seems to hold its breath. The ping of the club hitting the ball echoes through the air. The ball soars, a perfect drive. This is not just a game, it's a journey of discovery, a symphony of experiences that only Italy can offer. Stay tuned as we take you on a tour of Italy's most stunning golf courses, from the lush landscapes of Tuscany to the shimmering waterways of Venice. Welcome to your dream golf vacation. Imagine the sun setting over the rolling Tuscan hills, the air filled with the scent of fresh olives and vineyards, as you take your perfect swing. Welcome to the world of golfing in Italy, a world where ancient landscapes meet modern fairways, where every hole is a new adventure, and every round tells a story. From the Alpine greens of the north to the sun-baked courses of the south, Italy serves up golfing bliss in every swing. With a golfing experience as diverse and captivating as its regions, Italy beckons every golf enthusiast. Begin the journey in Tuscany, where the Renaissance breathes life into every swing. Here, golf isn't just a game, it's a symphony orchestrated amidst the backdrop of stunning Renaissance architecture. As the Tuscan sun warms the fairways, each stroke becomes a testament to the timeless allure of this historic region. The golf courses here are a harmonious blend of sport and culture, a true testament to the Italian spirit. Experience golfing like never before, amidst the echoes of the Renaissance, only in Tuscany. Next, sail to Venice and the Veneto region, where golf takes on a whole new dimension amidst tranquil waterways. Imagine teeing off with historic architecture as your backdrop, each swing resonating with centuries of culture. Feel the gentle breeze as it carries the echoes of gondoliers' songs, adding a unique melody to your game. There's a certain serenity here, punctuated by the exhilarating challenge of the courses. Venice and the Veneto region redefine golfing, offering an experience that is as serene as it is exhilarating. From the serene Waterways, we move to Milan and the Lombardy region, where golf meets fashion. Picture yourself teeing off amidst the glamour and sophistication of Milan, the fashion capital of Italy. Your golfing adventure extends to the breathtaking Lombardy region, cradled by the picturesque Italian lakes. Here, every hole you play is a testament to the region's beauty, so pack your clubs and designer sunglasses and get ready to make every swing a fashion statement. Golf with style in Milan, where every swing is a fashion statement. Now ascend to the Piedmont region, where the Alps provide a breathtaking backdrop to your golfing adventure. Imagine teeing off with the majestic peaks towering in the distance, the crisp Alpine air filling your lungs. Here, each swing is not just a play, but an encounter with nature's grandeur. The rolling greens, the pristine fairways, all nestled in the foothills of the Alps, invite you to a golfing experience like no other. Experience the thrill of golfing at the foothills of the Alps in the Piedmont region. Travel to the heart of history, Rome and central Italy, where every hole is a journey through time. Here, golfing isn't just a sport, it's an immersive experience. Imagine lining up your shot with the backdrop of millennia-old ruins or pristine Italian landscapes. Every fairway, every green, every bunker holds a story, a piece of history you become part of with each swing. This is golfing in Rome and central Italy. Take a swing amidst history in Rome and central Italy, where golfing is a timeless journey. Finally, descend to the sun-kissed lands of Sicily and southern Italy, where the sun, sea, and sand create a golfing paradise. Imagine teeing off amidst ancient olive groves with the sparkling Mediterranean as your backdrop. Here, every hole is a new adventure, every fairway a path to discovery. The golf courses, as diverse as the landscape, offer challenges and delights in equal measure. And the sun, it's always out, inviting you to play. Experience the joy of golfing under the warm Italian sun in Sicily and southern Italy. With over 30 years of experience, Italy4Real plans your perfect golf vacation to these captivating Italian regions. We take pride in our deep understanding of Italy's diverse golfing landscapes and our ability to tailor-make unforgettable experiences for our clients. Immerse yourself in the Renaissance charm of Tuscany or the enchanting waterways of Venice and the Veneto. Discover the fashion-forward allure of Milan and Lombardy, or the Alpine beauty of Piedmont. Perhaps it's the rich history of Rome and central Italy that calls you, or the sun-soaked splendor of Sicily and southern Italy. No matter your preference, our experienced team crafts your dream golf vacation with meticulous attention to detail. We ensure every element of your journey, from tea time to dinner reservations, is seamlessly coordinated for your convenience. For over 3 decades, we've been turning golf vacations into memories that last a lifetime. Experience the true essence of golfing in Italy with Italy4Real, your trusted travel planner. Send us an email at info@Italy4Real.com for your customized golf vacation plan.